How to remove duplicates in Excel. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now, in order for us to get started, we are here right now in our Excel, and as you can see, I have these data here. Now, the first thing that we are going to do is highlight them, and then we're going to head over to Home tab, and then there should be an option here for conditional formatting. So you are going to click this one right here, and then we're going to select highlight cell rules and then duplicate values. So if you are to do that one, you should be able to see this one here. These are actually the data that we have here that are duplicated, and usually the way they find the duplicate is by checking each column. So as you can see here, columns A, B, and C have duplicates. Now here's what we can do. We're just going to go ahead and click OK here. After doing so, I want you to head over to data, and then you should see something like this. This is actually a way for us to remove the duplicate, so I want you to click this one, and then here's what you can do. So in removing the duplicates, you will have these columns here as the basis for removing the duplicates. For example, if we are going to set model as the basis, we can just go ahead and uncheck them. So just leaving model as checked, and then click OK, and then click OK once again. As you can see, the duplicate that we had here earlier has now been removed. Now it will still be the same if you are going to choose year as the basis, or you can just go ahead and select everything here as the basis, and then basically they will be removed. And that is how to remove duplicates in Excel.